In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align text in Foxit. Whether you're preparing a professional document or just organizing notes, knowing how to align text properly ensures your content not only looks polished, but also enhances readability. Let's walk through the steps together so you can become more comfortable using this feature in Foxit. First, you'll want to open Foxit and navigate to the Home tab. To do that, start by finding the Home button on the main toolbar. It usually resides at the top of the application screen. This acts as your starting point for accessing various tools and options available within Foxit. Once you've clicked on Home, the next step is to open the file with the text you wish to align. Look for the Open File button, which will let you browse and select the document you're working on. After clicking this, a dialog box will appear, giving you an array of choices. Let's select Local Computer. This option is ideal if your document resides on your personal or work computer. It allows you to navigate through your file directories effortlessly. Once you've selected Local Computer, click on Choose Files. This action will enable you to browse through your files and folders to locate the specific document you intend to modify. With your file open, we move on to the Typewriter tool. This tool is indispensable when it comes to adding and adjusting text directly within your document. Simply click on the typewriter option and then click anywhere on your document to insert text. Begin typing the text you plan to align. This functionality is quite intuitive and lets you add text exactly where you need it. Now, the text is in place, but we need to make sure it's aligned correctly. Direct your attention to the right-hand side of the application screen. Here you'll find the alignment options readily available. You can align your text to the left, right, center, or choose to justify it. Each option changes the appearance of your text accordingly, so pick the alignment that best fits your document's style and purpose. Lastly, if you wish to center the text relative to the entire page, not just within a text box, you can easily do that as well. This is especially useful when you want the entire content block to appear symmetrical, giving a uniform look to documents like reports or flyers. By following these straightforward steps, you can ensure your text is aligned precisely how you need it. With a bit of practice, it'll become second nature to apply these adjustments in Foxit, transforming how your documents look and feel. So go ahead, open Foxit and give it a try. You'll be impressed by how a simple alignment can elevate your document's appearance. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.